Hey Stampers! Welcome to this week's episode of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Cindy and I am so excited to show you today my project that I have to show you. Have you ever opened a brand new catalog and just had a set just speak to you? Maybe not like words speak to you, but like in your heart, you just feel it and you just connect with that stamp set. This project that I want to share with you today is one of those for me. Just a little side note, I grew up with a grandma that was 100% organized. Her birthday cards were never late. They were always on time, if not a day or two early. And she not only sent them out to her grandkids, she had almost 40 grandkids, but the spouses and the great-grandkids, all of her friends that she met at church, she had a huge group of people that she always sent them to. And it was amazing to me. She was so organized. So when I opened up this year's Occasions catalog and I saw this set, it just spoke to my heart and just reminded me of my grandma and made me want to purchase this set. So I want to share with you today what set I'm talking about, this Perennial Birthday Project Kit. The thing that I love about this with the organization is that it comes with this super cute box that is really sturdy and really durable. Look how cute that is. You could just leave that on your desk all year long and just perfect, right? And then it comes with really cute cards that you can put in. The other thing, my very most favorite part about this project, it comes with cards that you can put in the box to separate all your cards by month. Perfect organization. I love this. So you can write your names of your people that you have on here that you want to send cards to. For those of us that have New Year's goals of being more organized, this is right up our alley. So I want to show you how quick and easy this set is. It is so worth the money. It coordinates with our Perennial Birthday stamp set. You can see here in the catalog. Super cute flowers. There's lots of projects that you can do with this set. Not only just this kit, but once you buy this stamp set, you will see how many cards you can do. So let's go ahead and put some of this together and show you how fast and easy it works. We're going to start with our card dividers. You can see that I've started a couple of them. January, February, March. So all you have to do is find your sticker, and it's already numbered, so you keep your tabs in order. And just put it right over that number. Ta-da! Perfect. And then you can do that for the rest of your months. Then you can put these card dividers right into your box. You can sit down and get this kit all banged out real quick, and then you can be ready to go for the whole year. So this kit comes with 4 cards of 4 designs, plus the envelopes. So you're getting 16 cards and 16 envelopes. Amazing. So let's go ahead and put this first cute one together. So all you have to do, your coordinating colors are Dapper Denim, Flirty Flamingo, and Old Olive. I have it all separated out. This one, I wanted to show you the little tip on this. So you'll go ahead and, in the instructions, it tells you exactly the amount of ribbon to cut. We're just going to fold that over. I love glue dots. They're super fast, especially for ribbon, when you're just folding it right in half. So you just fold that down. We'll put a couple glue dots on the back of it and put it on our card, and then we'll move on to our tag. Okay, so you have your ribbon down. And then in the kit, you can see that it comes with little tags. There's 4 on this page because there's 4 cards. So you'll just punch those out real quick. Super easy. Let's start with our Dapper Denim and our Happy Birthday stamp. Tap, tap, tap right along the bottom. Perfect. Happy birthday. And then we're going to go with our Flirty Flamingo and do our flower. Tap, tap, tap. Put that down. And then on this one, I wanted to be super careful and to not get any overstamping of my leaf onto my cute little flower that I just stamped. So I went ahead and just took one of our circle punches and made me a little mask out of a 3/4 inch circle. So I can put that right over my flower, and then I can take my Old Olive and stamp my leaves. Take my mask off. Perfect stamping. And punch out that little hole and put our twine right through it and thread it. And tie it in a bow. So you got your bow on there. Well, now just trim our little ends. Put some dimensionals on the back side. I love dimensionals. One of my most favorite things that I ever use. Super cute and simple, and stick that right on top of that ribbon. So then all you have to do is go ahead and trim your ends of your ribbon. So it has that cute little toggled look, and then they give you this foil sticker to go right in the center of your flower. And look how cute that is. You can make 4 of these super quick and easy. Put them right in your filing system and you're ready to go. I love that these have little flecks of gold foil. So let me go ahead and show you the other cards that are included in this kit. This cute little happy birthday with the balloons. Birthday cheers all around. You see that gold foil. And today blooms just for you. I love the colors in this kit, and it's such a great value for all the cards that you get. So if you're like me and this card kit speaks to you out of our occasions catalog, make sure you purchase it and put it together so that you too can be more organized and ready to go for the whole rest of 2018. I love it, and I know that you will too. So if you have any comments, please leave them below, and then we'll see you next week on Watch It Weekly Wednesday.